viewers. If you don't want to miss any of the videos uploaded by me, please follow these steps. In your cell phone, open YouTube and in the search box type Shekhar Maths. You will see my photograph in a circle and also a subscribe button. So touch the subscribe button and also touch the bell icon and select all. You will get instant notifications whenever I upload any of my videos. Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics 10th chapter Practical Geometry Exercise 10.2. Before going to do the exercise, let us learn the concept. Perpendicular bisector, Lamba Samadvikhandana Rekha. Perpendicular bisector, perpendicular means 90 degrees angle, bi means 2, sections means parts. A line which makes 90 degrees angle and make another into two parts. Lamba Samadvikhandana Rekha. Lamba అనగా 90 డిగ్రీలు, సమ అంటే సమానమైన, ద్వి అనగా రెండు, ఖండన అంటే భాగాలు. అంటే 90 డిగ్రీల కోణం చేస్తూ ఒక రేఖను రెండు సమాన భాగాలుగా చేసే రేఖనే లంబ సమద్విఖండన రేఖ లేక పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ అంటారు. A line which cuts given line segment in two equal parts at 90 degrees. Take an example. Take any 2 points, initial point A, final point B, and join this with a line segment of length 2 centimeters. Take any 2 points C and D which is above the line segment and below the line segment, and join these C and D with a line segment, and the line CD cuts AB at the point M and making angle 90 degrees. Now the line CD cuts the AB in such a way that AM and MB is equal to 1 centimeter, two equal parts. So angle CMA is equal to angle CMB is equal to 90 degrees, and AM is equal to MB is equal to AB by 2, that is equal two parts. So here the line CD is making an angle of 90 degrees with a line AB and also cuts AB in two equal parts. So CD is called the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now how to draw a perpendicular bisector? For this, take a scale and mark a point at 0 and another point at 6, and name initial point as A, final point as B, and join these 2 points with a line segment AB of length 6 centimeters. We have to draw a circle with center A and radius greater than half of the line segment AB. Here line segment AB is of length 6 centimeters. Half of the line segment is 6 by 2, that is 3 centimeters. But greater than half means 3.1 centimeters, 3.2 centimeters, 3.3 centimeters, 3.4. Any of choice, take your choice. Here I am taking 3.4 centimeters radius and took a compass, and with center A I am drawing a circle around A. After completing the circle around A, now take center B with the same radius, that is 3.4 centimeters. Draw another circle. Now observe that these two circles intersect at 2 points and name it as C and another D which is above and below of the line segment AB. Now draw a line through CD. Observe that the line CD cuts the line AB at M. Now take the protractor and put the base of the protractor on the line segment AB, and observe that angle CMA is 90 degrees. Also angle CMB is also 90 degrees. So angle CMA is equal to angle CMB is 90 degrees. Now take the scale and observe that the arrow mark is showing 3 centimeters midpoint. So AM is equal to MB is equal to 3 centimeters, two equal parts. So we can say that the line CD is the perpendicular bisector of line AB. Here we are taking the radius as more than half of the length of the line segment AB, because then only the circles intersects at different points. Here to get the intersecting point CD, we need not to draw two circles, we just draw arcs below and above the line segment AB, then we can easily draw the perpendicular bisector of the given line segment. Exercise 10.2. First problem, draw a line segment PQ is equal to 5.8 centimeters and construct its perpendicular bisector using ruler and compass. Solution, take a scale and put a point at 0 and another point 8 lines after 5 and name the initial point as P and final point as Q. Now join these points with a line segment PQ of length 5.8 centimeters. Now half of the length of the line segment is 5.8 by 2, that is 2.9 centimeters. So we have to take more than 2.9. We are taking a 3.4 centimeters radius and with center P. Using compass, draw arcs below and above the line PQ. Now with center Q, draw arcs and cut the previous arcs with the same radius, that is 3.4 centimeters. Now after cutting, we observe that there are two intersecting points C and D. Now join these points C and D with a ruler and observe that the line CD cuts the line PQ at M and take the protractor and put the base of the protractor on the line PQ and observe that here angle CMP is equal to angle CMQ is equal to 90 degrees. Now take the scale. Now observe that PM is showing 2.9 centimeters. MQ is also 2.9 centimeters. So we can say that the line CD is the perpendicular bisector of the line PQ. Now second problem. Ravi made a line segment of length 8.6 centimeters. He constructed a bisector of AB on C. Find the length of AC and BC. Solution. Take the figure. Here the line segment AB is 8.6 centimeters and the bisector cutting the line AB at C. So C is the midpoint. So AC and BC equal to AB by 2. So 8.6 by 2, that is 4.3 centimeters. So AC is equal to BC is equal to 4.3 centimeters. Third problem, using ruler and compasses, draw AB is equal to 6.4 centimeters. Locate its midpoint by geometric construction. Solution, take the scale, put a point at 0, another point 4 lines after 6. Now name it as A and B. Now draw the line segment joining these points. To locate the midpoint, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. For this, take a compass and with center A and radius greater than half of the length of the line segment, that is greater than 3.2 is 3.4 centimeters. Draw arcs above and below with center A and B. Now we observe that there are intersecting points are CD. Now join the line CD and the line CD cuts the line AB at M. Now M is the midpoint because AM is equal to MB is equal to 3.2 centimeters.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Shekhar Maths.